Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a huge question that's on many of our minds, and that's, how much money do I need to save for retirement? Let's get into it. First things first, retirement may seem like a distant dream, but it's important to start planning. The amount you need depends on a variety of factors, including your lifestyle, where you plan to live, and when you plan to retire. A common rule of thumb is to have 25 times your annual expenses saved by the time you retire. Now, let's break down how to get there with solid budgeting strategies. Here are 5 key steps. Step 1. Track your expenses. This means every latte, every impulse buy, track it all. There are great apps that can help you categorize and monitor your spending. Step 2. Create a budget. Allocate your income towards necessities, savings, and a bit of fun. Step 3. Identify and cut unnecessary expenses. Every dollar saved is a dollar more for your retirement nest egg. Step 4. Increase your income if possible. Side gigs, freelance work, or even negotiating a raise can make a big difference. And lastly, Step 5. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your retirement accounts to ensure you're consistently putting money away. Remember, the key to successful retirement savings is consistency. So make a plan, stick to it, and adjust as necessary. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe for more personal finance tips. See you in the next video.